Alright, we're here getting Anthony's tattoo. Say hi, Jackie. Anthony's trying to live right now. Tightly gripping.
His hand's turning blue.
He's getting the cow. That's his cow. The cow with a boombox. Yeah. Be strong. You got this.
Looks like his hand's turning blue now.
Oh my god. You're doing good though, dude.
What color are the spots?
The spots are gonna be yellow.
Yellow.
That's the cow. Goofy looking cow. That's pretty sick. We'll show you the final production when it's done. Hey. Love you too. He's living. He'll be fine.
He'll be okay.
We have faith. Alright. We're out.